Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Welcome back to our online class. Yes, ninth class children. Today is what's the date today, beta? 30th December 2020. So we'll be doing with our lesson sense organs. We finished eye. Now we are doing ear. Okay, we did the three parts of ear: inner ear, outer ear, external ear, isn't it? Now today we'll conclude the lesson ear. What are the functions of ear? As we know, basically functioning of ear is hearing and balancing. That depends on specialized receptors called hair cells. What are the common ear problems? Balance disorder, cholesteatoma, ear infection, ear ringing, which is also called as tinnitus, ear loss, and otitis. See the diagram of the inner ear, and it has semicircular canals, incus, malleus, cochlear nerve, cochlea, stapes, auditory tube, external ostic meatus, auricle, and tympanic membrane. The most important sense organ we'll study is our nose. Everyone have nose, no? Nose is the body's primary organ of smell and also functions as part of the body's respiratory system. Air comes into the body through the nose. As it passes over the specialized cells of olfactory system, the brain recognizes and identifies smells. Isn't it? Hairs in the nose clean the air of foreign particles. Here are 8 things you must do now to feel and breathe better. What you should do: use a humidifier. A humidifier provides a quick, easy way to reduce sinus pain and relieve a stuffy nose. Take a shower, stay hydrated, use a saline spray, drain your sinuses, use a warm compress, try decongestants, take antihistamines or allergy medicine to keep your nose healthy and sterile. Now we'll understand the nasal anatomy, the inside view of the nose. What are present in the nose? Do you know that? Bone, skin, nasal activity, septum, mucous membrane, throat, turbinates, and sinuses. Bone, this supports the bridge of the nose. Skin, this also helps us to shape the nose. Nasal activity, this is a hollow space behind the nose that air flows through. Septum, this is a thin wall made of cartilage and bone. Mucous membrane, this is a thin tissue that lines the nose, sinuses, and the throat. Turbinates and the sinuses. Bone, this supports the bridge of the nose, isn't it? These are the inner parts of the nose. Olfactory system, there's an important term coming up which deals with the nose. The bodily structure that serves the sense of smell are called olfactory system. The system consists of nose and nasal cavities, which in their upper part support the olfactory mucous membrane for the perception of smell, and in their lower parts act as respiratory passages. People who experience smell disorders experience either a loss in their ability to smell or changes in the way they perceive odors. As for the loss of sense of smell, some people have hyposmia, which is when their ability to detect the odor is reduced. Other people can't detect odor at all. What is that term known as anosmia? Scientists have found that thousands of illnesses have a particular smell. Diabetes can make your urine smell like rotten apple, and typhoid turns body odor into the smell of baked bread. Worse, but God forbid, yellow fever apparently makes your skin smell like a butcher's shop. Serious liver diseases can make the breath smelly, musty, or like garlic and rotten eggs. Compounds that are transported through the blood and also be released through your sweat glands that can make your armpits and skin smell bad. It's normal for stress to cause smelly compounds to be released through your sweat. Lemons. Lemons are very rich in vitamin C, as we all know it, isn't it? We make lemonade juice, we put it on barbecues, chickens, and are eating fried materials, isn't it? It tangy taste will come, and it is good for refreshing fragrance also. Lemon helps to restore back the sense of smell and taste. It fights bacterial and viral infections, thus makes the nasal passage clear. Mixing lemon juice and honey in a glass of water is an effective remedy to treat this problem. Loss of smell is more common than hyperosmia. Outside of conditions that are known to cause this disorder, chronic hyperosmia can sometimes occur without any clear cause. The 5 science-backed ways you can try to improve your sense of smell. Smell different things. The more you use your senses, the better they get. Sniff a bit more. Build your scent IQ. Supplement your power to smell and smoking. The antibacterial that cause smell loss includes ampicillin. It is a strong dose. Because of that, you must not be able to smell properly. It is used to treat urinary tract infections and type of meningitis headaches, and azithromycin used to treat some ear infections as well as pneumonia. Now, how can the steam inhalation clear your nose and your nose nasal activity, nasal cavities? The picture is there. 10 steps home remedy, something like steam inhalation to regain your smelling and tasting power. Boil some water in a pan, and in this pan, few drops of peppermint or eucalyptus is essential oil to the water. Now pour the water in a bowl. Cover your head with the towel and inhale the steam for few minutes. Do this at least 2 times daily. You'll be able to see that your nose, your skin pores, girls do it mostly, isn't it? They get fair also. The pores of the skin open up for oily skin boys also, isn't it? Next, for home remedies for the loss of smell and taste is use of castor oil in microwave for few seconds. Put 1 drop of warm oil in each nostril. Do this twice or thrice daily in the morning and before going to bed. Repeat until you regain your sense of smell and taste. Chop 3 or 2 garlic cloves, put them in 1 cup of water and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink until it is warm. Repeat for 2 or 3 times. Next, in ginger, what do we do? Finely chop the ginger and pinch of rock salt. Consume it 30 minutes before eating your meals every day for a couple of weeks. Now, 10 simple remedies are there. Next, we'll conclude our lesson with the homework for today. What are the functions of ear? Second one, describe the parts of the nose and its functions. Is it clear, children? Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class. All the best. Bye.